Oh, hi, Abby.
Hey,
How are you?
good. Hi, Olena. Olena, we are now in September.
Yeah.
What is going to happen next month in October?
Halloween?
Yes, Halloween, Halloween, and also Power Platform Release Wave 2 is coming.
Hmm.
And for the Power Platform for the release wave, in terms of Power Pages, this feature that I'm showing on the screen right
Hmm.
now is one of the feature that kind of from when I'm talking to my colleagues and friends I know, this feature is one of the feature most people kind of get a question mark and don't know what is it about. I think it's beneficial today. Let's have a discussion on this and from
Hmm.
the things that we tried on with early access and all these things and see where it is at and what does it mean. How about that? Let,
Yeah, sounds great.
okay, let me. Oh, um, okay, so the feature is coming. I can see this is in public preview, right? It says it's
Yep.
gonna go into public preview next month. We don't know what is the GA date.
Hmm.
And the feature is called Unified Power Pages Authority authorization by merging web role with Dataverse security role.
Hmm.
Sounds scary. And
It does.
the first thing I want to check, and we had this question ourselves as well. What does it mean to our site? Is it going to turn on something automatically, or was it going to happen in October?
This is this is a very good question. We started talking about this last week, and then it came in the discussion about the enabling early access. This is what we normally do to test some upcoming features early, and this is what recommended by Microsoft as a best practice to enable early access on a low environment to test if something's going to break, on how it's going to look like, and we can get ready, right? So this is an
Yes.
amazing way of doing this. But we got scared that what's going to happen with this particular feature, how it's going to work for early access, is going to automatically deploy something to our environments, is going to affect our LM. So all those questions we
Mm.
raised and discussed last week. So uh, what did we decide at the end, Toby? Did we enable early access?
Yes, we so with the this is our playground environment, but yeah, we tried this with other environments as well. We enable the wave release with early access, and
Mhm.
also for the Power Pages side, we turn on early upgrade and also install
Mhm.
the latest latest website package. However,
Mhm.
I don't see this feature showing in any way or based on limited information we have. That it doesn't seem like it's as of now it's landing into the environment yet.
You you just shown this interesting users and Power Pages users thing in
Yes.
Dataverse. Can you show us again?
Yes, this is the second part I really want to discuss with you about what the okay. If we just look at the name of this feature
Hmm.
and what does it tell you, it sounds like Dataverse security role is something completely to Dynamics like Power Platform. And in the Power Pages, we use web role to control security, and now
Yeah,
they are connected together, which is
yeah, yeah. That's
so
also a
yeah.
connection between Power Pages user and Dataverse user. As we know, for Power Pages user is a contact, which
Mm,
with a special settings like for authentication, and for Dataverse user is a system user. So they stored in the two different tables, right? So they're different. And as you mentioned, the same with web roles and security roles. They're two different things, and they
yeah.
work differently, have different concepts. Like they had not much in common until now.
Yes.
And what's going to change, you think? How it's going to work?
I'm very intrigued, like, no, to, but with this limited information, yes, as you just mentioned, it sounds like system user table and also contact table is coming together with, so this is, with this feature release, it says, with this feature, the system stores each Power Pages user in both system user and contact table,
Hmm. Hmm.
and also for the Power Pages web role, it's not just in the web role, it also going to be stored in Dataverse security role table. That's something, as of now, it doesn't show in the environment, but something is showing the environment. And like, can we have a quick look?
Yeah.
this is a system user. This is
Mhm.
system user view, and usually portal user, if your portal user is like contact based, you find your portal user in your contact table.
Mhm.
Interestingly, now we have this
Yeah.
this view called Power Pages user, and I don't have anything
Yeah.
in here, which makes sense. I guess
Yeah.
the
But
feature is not in
we
the
already
environment
have
yet.
you.
Yeah, and if we have a look at the filter here, it's got this is a system user table, and it's got a filter on what is this? System managed user type equals to C2 user.
Mhm.
What does it tell
Okay.
you? It's sounds like it's gonna be a special type.
Yeah, it looks like yeah, what we can what we can actually extrapolate, the information we can get from this is there will be a new type, which is a C2 user. There are already some preparation happening in Dataverse. We have entry user. This actually, we can answer some of the questions. One of our customers mentioned that they expect with the new change to automatically get Power Pages user into Entra. As we can see from this view, it's not quite true because entry user is a separate type to C2 user. Therefore, probably it's this assumption is incorrect. You shouldn't expect any black magic to happen to your entry user. It's new special type for a user in Dataverse. Yay.
Thank you. Thanks. That's thanks for the clarification. I think that's all we can.
Yep.
This is kind of all the information that we can gather right now. And we don't know
Yeah.
when is the GA date, but
Yeah.
what's if there's a key message to give to our audience today, what do we want to give to the audience?
Two things. Don't get scared. Enable your early access because it gives you some time to test upcoming features, not just for Power Pages. Nothing automatically is going to happen to your environment. Change is going to happen into the site level, website level, and you have to basically specifically enable it for your website when the time comes. It's not available just yet for the public preview, and then the public preview is coming. Please go ahead and test everything and make sure that you give a feedback to Microsoft. Yep.
Awesome. Thanks, Olena. That's very helpful. Yeah, this is one of the feature that I feel like it's gonna solve our ongoing battle with table permissions. I'm very intrigued by this feature, and let's keep an eye on it. And thank you for watching this video.
Thank you very much for raising this early access question, and I'm glad we sorted it out, at least for now. Thank you very much for everyone for watching, subscribe, watch our videos, give us the feedback. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Let me stop recording.